Good morning. So this here is Lamello's Cabineo fixing. So in this video, I'm going to explain why we use this fixing on a lot of our furniture now, how to use it, because we've had a lot of questions over on social media, especially asking how it's used. So I'm going to do a video and I'm going to show how and why we use them. So the Cabineo fixing, it is an amazing fixing from Lamello. Now, we've had questions asking, can you make a jig to fit these? And that is not what this fixing is about in my eyes. This fixing is for someone who has a CNC, and it's all about speed and accuracy. It does have a real high clamp force as well when you screw them in, but overall it's an amazing fixing, and I'm going to give you a bit more in depth on this now. So this morning, me and Dave, we are actually designing some more cabinets and chest of drawers. So we're going to be using the Cabineo system. So Lamello as a whole, as a company, their fixings are just brilliant for us, for our type of business, aren't they? Yeah. The stuff they use, like we use the Zeta P2 and all the Tenzos and all the different fixings that operate with that machine. But having a CNC machine and using their Cabineo fixings, for the speed and the accuracy, it's game changing for us as a business making our type of products.
The Cabineo fixing is brilliant, really. Like, all the information is on their website for locating perfectly on CAD. It's all drawn out now, so it's a quick and really reliable system that for putting things together.
Yeah, very accurate.
Super accurate, yeah.
Yeah. So this is how me and Dave now, we'll go out to a project, we'll measure everything. We've got a full system in place. So once we've been out and done our measure, Dave will then use his 15 years experience drawing it out. Once he's drawn it out, then you'll then put your Cabineos in place, won't you?
Yeah, so I've actually drawn all the boxes out for our drawers, and yeah, it's just basically breaking them down on the sheets for the CNC.
Yeah,
which is easy to do. Honestly, all the information is perfect from Lamello, and yeah, it's all set out now, ready for the cut.
Everything Dave has placed out exactly where the cutter will go, and then we will set tool paths and we'll use different tools. Obviously we've got a lot of experience, myself and Dave now, in CNC, so it's not something that you can, if you haven't got CNC, you can pick up overnight, but obviously we've got like 6 years experience now using a CNC, so obviously we know the best cutters to use, and for us as a business it's amazing. So Dave's placed everything in position now on the CAD design with the correct fixings located to give the drawer boxes and the units the strength that they're going to need. That's it, and you get them in a whole range, and to be honest they're not bad priced as well for the fixing. Obviously we buy ours from a company called Gamma Fittings. They are basically a supplier for Lamello, so we'll buy most of our fixings and stuff from there. So you can head over to Gamma Fittings. They was in our latest episode of our Top Build TV, Ed Aegis, their rep, so you can give him a shout, call him, and he will give you all the information on buying the products from them. So prime example now of when we would use the Cabineos. So these we're making up some bedside cabinets, and we've got a big project on of wardrobes and different bits of furniture. So these here will be CNC'd in prior to us installing them, and then when we come to put them together now, just using a mallet, they will be tapped in to the CNC cutout. The CNC will do the 5mm drill hole that is sat on the other piece, and then it will have a high clamp force pulling the parts together, so it's rapid and very accurate. So this here is a wardrobe, part of the same project I've just showed you now. So as you'll see, even for our drawer boxes, they are CNC cut, so we know that they are accurate, they're going to glide, they're going to fit in perfection and ease with the Cabineo fixing. Now the Cabineo fixings, they do come in different colours. There's a cover cap that goes over these at the end, so you can get them in white, oak, silver, different colours, which I can show you now. And also the Cabineo fixing itself, they do also come in different colours, but if you're putting a plate over, then it doesn't matter too much on what colour is below. So the joy with the Cabineo fixing is the fact that you can flat pack what you're making, then when we get to the fits we can just quickly put it together using their simple bits, and basically you will fit that inside the fixing with, it has a ball point on the end, and you can put the fixing in and out into its 5mm hole. Super accurate. It's changed the game of our fitted furniture, and yeah, the process, it just speeds up the process with accuracy and strength.